Hello guys, from today onwards I am starting a new lecture series, Articles of the Indian Constitution. In this series, I will explain each and every article one by one. This is the first lecture, so in this lecture I will discuss the Article 1. Article 1 speaks about name and the territory of the Union. The clause 1 of Article 1 says India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. So this clause 1 of Article 1 deals with two things. The first is name of the country. The first is name of the country. And the second is type of political structure. Second is type of political structure. What is the name of our country? The name of our country is India, that is Bharat. India, that is Bharat. So both the names, India as well as Bharat, both the names were adopted by the Constituent Assembly as the official names. Now comes to the second question. What is the political structure of our constitution? Whether Indian constitution is federal or unitary in its working. This is the question that you have to answer. Clause 1 of Article 1 is giving the political structure, but you must also know how. Now see, Clause 1 of Article 1 says India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. Shall be a union of states. Union of states means there are many states in India. So this clause 1 of Article 1 is dividing the country into several units known as the states. And there are various other provisions in the constitution which lays down not only the structure of the union government, but also the structure of the state government. So this clause 1 of Article 1 along with other provisions of the constitution is establishing dual polity. Thereby making the Indian constitution a federal constitution. तो जो क्लॉज 1 है आर्टिकल 1 का, वो कैसा नेचर दे रहा है इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को? फेडरल नेचर दे रहा है. कैसे दे रहा है वो मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया. सो दिस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया इज अ फेडरल यूनियन with a division of powers of which judiciary is the interpreter. Now the question is, when Union of India is a federal union and Article 1 is making the Indian constitution a federal constitution, then why the term union of states was used? Why not the federation of states? So the answer to this question was given by drafting committee chairman Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. In the Constituent Assembly, Dr. Ambedkar stated that although the Indian Constitution may be federal in its structure, but the drafting committee has used the term union because of two reasons. और पहला रीजन क्या दिया था उन्होंने? पहला रीजन ये दिया था that the Union of India is not a result of an agreement. Union of India is not a result of an agreement among the states like the American states. What happened here in India? India, that is Bharat, was made first and states were later carved out only for the administrative purpose. But in case of America, there was the existence of the states and those states come together, sign an agreement, and that is how USA came into existence. Second reason was that states have no right to secede. States have no right to secede from the federation. Thus, this federation is a union because it is indestructible. So this was the explanation of clause 1 of Article 1. Now comes to the clause 2. Clause 2 of Article 1 says, the states and the territories thereof shall be as specified in the first schedule. It means that the states and union territories are mentioned in the first schedule of the Indian Constitution. And clause 3 of Article 1 says, the territory of India shall comprise the territories of the states, the union territories specified in the first schedule, and such other territories as may be acquired. Now understand, there are two phrases. One is Union of India. One is Union of India. and another is territory of India. Another is territory of India. So this territory of India is a wider expression than the Union of India, because Union of India includes only the states. Union of India includes only the states. But a territory of India includes not only the states but the union territories and such other territories that may be acquired by India. That may be acquired by India. So this is the explanation of your Article 1. And these explanation which I am going to explain in this lecture series will definitely help you in your prelims as well as in your mains examination. So this explanation is for your prelims as well as for your mains examination. So this was all about the Article 1. If you like the video, then give thumbs up. If you don't like the video, then give thumbs down. And if you have any suggestion, then write it down in the comment section. Thank you, friends.